we started working with the team at Google, it was very clear from the very beginning that this is an all-out effort. This is serious, this is worldwide. This leverages the full depth of Google engineering. RightScale is the bridge between new applications and different cloud infrastructures. It allows you to deploy, configure, manage, monitor your applications in different cloud environments, whether private or public. It's actually the only cloud management system that launches with Google Compute Engine. And it's the soup to nuts dashboard for deploying in the cloud. To really test out Google Compute Engine, we worked with one of our pioneering customers, Joe Emerson. And he has an interesting application in that he needs to convert very large data sets and a lot of data sets, and he has a very nice test setup for that, so he can do very good comparisons from one cloud to another. And so let's hear what he has to say.
The specific use case that we have used on Google Compute Engine is delivering data points to insurance companies at the point of underwriting policies. So that is, you're a customer, you go in, you want to get homeowners insurance, and a lot of information gets pulled back about your home in order to price your policy. So that's data that we have to deliver on a schedule very quickly. And so what we did with Google Compute Engine is we put our delivery servers there, we put our database servers there, and then we ran endless benchmarks against these servers to see what the performance profile would be. And what we saw was that we consistently were getting results in less than 4 seconds and almost no variability. We were seeing something like a 0.02, 0.03 standard deviation in terms of the delivery time. So in other words, delivery most of the time was happening between 0.37 and 0.43 seconds. We see Google as a great provider of computing resources. So we absolutely can see our production pipeline going onto Google Compute Engine and running. And we can see a lot of our big data requirements, the big data analysis that we do, moving to Google Compute Engine. And so there's a lot of confidence that I have when I'm using Google Compute Engine that I'm using this fabulous resource that is so battle tested out there. For us, RightScale is about repeatable processes. You define a template for a server, you define the scripts that go into the server, and then you click a button and you get the same server each time. So fundamentally, it's about good processes. The same reason why you put your code in a repository or you do code review, all of that, you're just bringing that same piece to server and infrastructure management. So we've been using RightScale now for almost 3 years, and we've built a lot of server templates that have all of our configurations in them. And so when we went to use Google Compute Engine, we just pointed those server templates at Google Compute Engine, and it just worked.
RightScale supports the full suite of server templates on Google Compute Engine, from MySQL to HA Proxy Load Balancer to different app servers, Ruby, Tomcat, etc. We support the rapid build-up and tear-down of data analysis clusters, of batch processing to 3-tier applications. The best analogy is it's like driving your friend's sports car. You know, it handles a little bit different, feels a bit different, but it sure accelerates and gets around the corners.